This is traffic signal light program by using PLC, Delta PLC. Traffic signal program by using Delta PLC, using STL, step logic program, step logic programming, using step logic. This is the program for traffic light. Now this red light is glowing. Now two light blink, and this green light. Now this is the traffic light program using STL logic. The step logic program, using step logic program, I made traffic light program using Delta PLC. Now this light glowing now red. Now this blinking for some time, and this green light blink on for allowing the traffic. This is the program, small program for traffic lighting using Delta PLC. This is the Delta PLC, and this is the setup. Traffic lighting program. This program work automatic, allow traffic for stopping and going red and green light automatically by using STL logic.